Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the B major scale on your piano or keyboard. You start with your right hand, first finger on the note B, and you go all the way to your third finger, B, C sharp, D sharp. Now put your thumb underneath and play E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and back to B. Going downwards the other way on the piano, we go all the way to our thumb, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, and now fly your third finger over to the note D sharp, C sharp, and B. Okay, let's do it again a bit faster. Okay.